Okay, try this. If theta happens to be cos 12 plus sin 12 by cos 12 minus sin 12, find theta in first quadrant. Find theta belonging to first quadrant. Theta belonging to first quadrant. Shamik, done? What is the answer? Shamik, tell me the answer. This was done previously. Did we do it already? Supraja, did we do this already? No. Oh. Okay, now do it. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. This was actually tan theta. If tan theta is like this. No. I'm sorry. Tan theta. So can I convert this in terms of tan? How will I? If I divide both numerator and denominator by cos 12, then this will become 1 plus tan 12 divided by 1 minus tan 12. This tan 12, this will write it as tan 45 plus tan 12 divided by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 12. Tan 45 is 1. So this 1 tan 12 into 1 raskoni will write it as tan 45 into tan 12. We shall write like this. So now do you observe? So I am getting here, this is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So I am getting tan 57. Actually, okay. So what is, why, so theta, can I take it as 57? Yes, I can. But you know one thing, this tan 57 is also same as tan 237. అంతే కదా ఇప్పుడు tan theta is same as tan of 180 plus theta, 2 pi plus theta. It's also same as 360 plus 57. How much is that? 417. So ilaga, then can I get unique value for theta? Theta can be 57, theta can be 237, theta can be anything like n pi plus 57, n into 180 plus 57. Theta can be, in general value is this, isn't it? But he is asking for first quadrant. So I shall take n to be 0. 57. So the answer is 57. Suppose the question was, Supraja, why 33 degrees? Supraja? Third step, this is it. Cos 12 plus sin 12. What did I write? I divided by cos 12. I got 1 plus tan 12 divided by 1 minus tan 12. Isn't it? 1, I wrote it as tan 45. This, yeah, this is 57. 45, tan of A plus B, formula. Yeah, okay. 57. So tan 57 you can even write as tan 237. Because you know tan theta is same as tan of 180 plus theta. And that you can even write as tan of 360 plus theta. Deenko 180 add chesukochu. In fact, we can keep on writing like this, and it is tan of n into 180 plus theta. So the same tan value you can get for theta or n pi plus theta. Isn't it? Okay, but since we are given that it is in the first quadrant, okay, it's in the first quadrant, so I have to take theta to be 57 degrees. Are we clear? But if I had asked you, I gave you tan theta as this, find the value of theta lying in the third quadrant. What happened to the denominator? I wrote the formula for tan of A plus B. Tan of 45 plus 12 formula ఏంటి? డినామినేటర్ ఏమైపోయిందా? ఎవరో అడిగింది ఇలాగా. కొంచెం చూసి మాట్లాడు. What happened to the denominator అంట? ఎవరు అడిగింది? Ritvik. Tan of A plus B formula. Yeah. How can I add 45 and 12? అలా యాడ్ చేసేయచ్చా? What is the formula we are using? Tan of A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. I'm using that formula. Okay, so that is tan 57. So what I'm trying to say is, when you have tan 57 can be even tan 237 and all. Alright? So tan theta is same as tan of n5 plus theta, n into 180 plus theta. N any integer. N any integer. Positive or negative, even negative integer also you can take. So, but how can I fix that? Theta has to be 57 only then. He has given that theta belongs to first quadrant. Had he given saying that theta belongs to third quadrant, then you would have said 237. You will have to add a 180 to this. Is it okay, everybody? Good. Yeah. If A plus B is 45 degrees, then prove that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is 2. Change, Nana? Shriyan. Oh, good. You know it already, Shriyan. Oh, done. Very good. A plus B is 45. Okay, how do you do that? Apply tan both sides. Tan of A plus B is tan 45, that is 1, we know. This is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Take another. So what is that? Transpose 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to tan A plus tan B. Now transpose this side. Tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B is equal to 1. Add a 1 both sides. What is this now? You can see. You can take out a tan B common from these two. I would get tan B into 1 plus tan A. Already ikkada 1 plus tan A undi nada. So what is the left hand side equal to? 1 plus tan B taken 1 plus tan A taken common. You get 1 plus tan A taken common, 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. So 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is 2. Done. Okay. Can you make use of this result to find out tan 22.5 degrees? Find tan 22.5 degrees using this result. using previous result, this result, meaning this one, deduce, this result. Whenever a plus b is 45, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b has to be 2. Can we make use of it? How do I make use? How do I make use? Supraja, okay, Nana, okay. Do you have any other class, Supraja, later? Okay, I'm stopping. We'll stop with this. Yeah, I'll stop with this, okay? Right? Can you do this problem? Tan 22.5 kawali. So what you do is A and B, take both A and B as 22.5. Okay, take both A and B as 22.5. So 1 plus tan 22.5 whole square is what you're going to get, and that is equal to 2. So then 1 plus tan 22.5 is going to become positive square root, because this is a positive quantity. So that's going to be root 2. So what is tan 22.5 now? Root 2 minus 1. So keep it aside. This is an important observation. So we'll stop here. For today we'll stop. Okay. Yeah, good. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye. I'm going to share an assignment, basic level assignment, and you are given so much of material. Please keep solving from that. Okay? Yeah? Good evening. Bye. Take care. Bye.